Greetings. Welcome to the demo of X-ray monitoring application. This is an artificial intelligence tool which we have built and trained on different existing data set of chest X-rays. This tool takes X-ray as input, analyzes X-ray based on different conditions on lung, and classifies whether it is a normal or abnormal. In case if it is abnormal, it annotates the probable impact region and displays the visible output on the screen. This is an artificial intelligence tool we would like to deploy to hospital, clinic, doctors and radiologists who would like to do the first cut-off review using this tool so that it minimizes their valuable time. Now I will show the demo of the application. So in this one, after when you start the application, it will land on the main screen which has the features of home, new patient, bulk upload for uploading for analyzing multiple X-rays, search for a particular patient record and view all the record by using view all and view or update feature. So in this one, if the user click the home button, it will display the latest top 10 record from the database and display the patient information along with the status what it was predicted by our tool, and when the X-ray got analyzed, the date also will be displayed on the screen. In case if the user wants to analyze a particular for a single X-ray, then they have to click for a new patient. Then they have to upload the X-ray which they wanted to analyze by using browse button. They click the browse button. They have to search for the file and then they have to open it. Also, they have to enter the patient information. So after selecting the X-ray, then they have to click the Alt button. Once the user click the Alt button, the upload X-ray will be sent to the model, which is built on the artificial intelligence technique at analysis using the CNN network, and it will show the status of the uploaded X-ray, whether it is a normal or abnormal or pneumonia, as well as the chances of the status also shown on the screen. For the X-ray that we have uploaded, we got the status as pneumonia. The probability is 54%. Also, it will show the original X-ray what we have uploaded into the system in the left side, and the right side we see the analysis X-ray with the impact region marked by white color. This is for analyzing the single X-ray using new patient feature. In case if the user wants to analyze multiple X-ray, then they have to go for the bulk uploading feature. In this one, instead of the single X-ray, it will ask for the folder which has all the X-rays. Then the user has to select the folder instead of the file, and then they have to upload it by clicking the upload X-rays. Once the user enter the upload X-ray feature, each X-rays will be taken and passed to the model, and by using the artificial intelligence technique, it will analyze and show the status as well as the probability on the screen. The user need not to wait for a X-ray, all the X-rays to be completed. Once the one X-ray is completed, it will show the X-ray status and as well as the probability on the screen. So for the X-rays what we have uploaded, we got the status as an abnormal for first X-ray and pneumonia and normal for other last two X-rays, as well as the probability of the X-rays are shown on the screen. The analysis date also shown, and the file name what we uploaded also shown in the table here. Also in this case, the user need not to enter the patient name, age, because the tool itself will fetch the name and the age from the X-ray and will show the same thing on the screen. So for the X-rays what we uploaded, we got the patient name here as well as the age also fetched from the DICOM file and display the same thing on the screen. This is for the bulk upload feature. In case if the user wants to search for a particular record, then they have to click the search button and they have to enter the patient ID or name or mobile number or status. Then they have to click the search button so that it will fetch the record. So for example, now I am typing the Kubi and then click the search button. So it will search for the record which gets the name Kubi, and it will show that two names are matched, that's one, and it will display on the screen. In case if the user wants to view all the record from the database, then they have to click the view all button. It will display all the record on the screen. If the user wants to update the patient information by uploading the new X-ray, Then they have to search for a particular record by using the search and select it, or by selecting the view all and display the record. From the record, they have to select the particular record. So after selecting the patient, which the patient they wanted to update the X-ray, then they have to select the X-ray and then click the view or update feature. Once they have clicked the view or update, then the information will be fetched from the database for the selected X-ray. It will display all the patient information as well as the original X-ray and the unanswered X-ray and the option to upload the new X-ray there. So now we got the selected record, we got that X-ray as well as analyzed X-ray. Now I am going to upload the new X-ray by using this upload new X-ray feature. So select the X-ray by selecting the browse button, and now I am uploading the new X-ray for the particular patient and click the submit button. So once again the same technique will be followed to analyze the X-ray using the model, and it will show the new status. So for the updated one, we got the still the pneumonia and the probability 56%. Also the analyzed date will be displayed in the list box. In case if the user wants to view the previous record, then they have to select the date and then they have to click the view button, so that previous record we can see it. So that the user can see the record of the patients by using this view feature, the update feature, to upload the new X-ray to this one. This is the end of the demo of X-ray application. Thank you.